3-speed Thomas. This set is same remote as 3-speed Gordon, James and Spencer, and this train is particularly different. You might have seen the other Thomas, 3-speed Thomas, with a steam clouds, you know, on the sides, like this Gordon right here. But this is a little bit rare, in my opinion, because it is not like the other Thomas. So same problem, the remote got stuck, and looks like the filaments that make contact are a little loose, because when you move the remote, it kind of works and stops at the same time, sometimes, not all the time, and we are about to fix the same problem. But first, let's take a look at the details. You might remember this train. I used it for a tips and tricks video when I made that custom coupler, and I almost used this as a spare, but I found the remote right here. Oh, selling on eBay. Okay, I found the remote somewhere in the boxes, and it worked. So anyways, the remote requires 3 AAA batteries, and Thomas requires 3 AA batteries. It needs 2 on the tender and 1 on the engine. So you gotta remove the screw on the bottom to access the battery compartment. Right there. We need 3 batteries. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so remember, this is not a restoration, this is a fix and repair the remote. We're gonna fix it, and I'm gonna show you what the problem is. Train is working. Contacts right here are loose, see? You have seen the problem with this remote. It gets stuck sometimes, and when you go backwards, you gotta force it. I mean, kids cannot do that kind of strength to make it work. You gotta have strong hands to operate it. So we're gonna open it and fix the problems. It's not just the handle, it's also the contacts inside are loose. So we gotta maybe clean it and fix it. And I already opened it, maybe. Somebody opened it, I think. I have not opened this. Okay, let's go. Okay, here's the problem. That pin does not let it go smoothly. You gotta do a lot of force, and it's almost bending. See? Oh. So, as in the other video, for those who have not seen my other videos, I gotta take the spring that is inside and cut a little piece. Okay, let's go. So I gotta cut this spring a little bit. Right there. I'm gonna cut a little piece. Okay. See, now the problem is on the last gear, it's a sharp gear, not round like this. This is a little sharper, so I'm gonna sand with the trimmer the edge right over here and see if that fixes the problem. Okay, now a little sanding. Okay, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add some grease inside to help it run smoothly, because I'm still seeing a little bit of problem. Okay. Excellent. Excellent. Now, okay, I got my alcohol, cotton swabs with alcohol, and a clean, gentle, real gentle. See that it's disappearing, that black dirt that might be preventing the contacts to work properly. So, oh, look at that. Yeah, that's dirt. So I'm gonna clean a little bit more, gentle, gentle, gentle. Okay, I just put the batteries in it. Now we are gonna test, see if it works. Okay, it's working. Now I'm gonna assemble back everything.